Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Mareba. In this video I'm going to do a step-by-step tutorial on how I achieve this blue smoky eye look. So if you want to know, stay tuned to this video all the way till the end, and don't forget to subscribe. Give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and I'd love to hear your feedback in the comment section. So let's get straight into it. So I first start by applying foundation, which is Maybelline Fit Me in the shade 362, and I'm using a regular foundation brush to apply that all over my face. Also go in with a beauty blender just to set everything and make sure it's in place. For the highlight, I'm using a lighter foundation shade instead of a concealer because I ran out of concealer. So a lighter foundation could also do the trick, and I'm just applying that on my under eyes and places that light hit, and yeah, just gonna blend that out. And I'm using a bit of powder on my under eyes because it could get a bit shiny, so yeah. For my eyebrows, I'm using Davis pencil in the number 3. I opt to use this because I like how dark it is, but when I'm going for a natural brow, or when you want a natural brow, you can use number 30 or 18, but this works perfectly for me.
With you, ukitaka twende home, baby, sit a mind, I'll be there to take you, liberate your mind and set your soul free. You know I got the door, so star she's on me.
I'm using a lighter shade of foundation to highlight my brow bone, or to make it pop, and I'm using LA Colors in the shade Capuccino. And this shade is way lighter than my skin, so it's perfect for using under in the lower brow.
When the beat comes on, I wanna be there dancing with you. Ukitaka twende home, baby, sit a mind, I'll be there to take you, liberate your mind.
So for my eyeshadow, I'm using the NYX Ultimate Edit eye palette. I didn't get shots of this, but I'll leave the details in the description box. I only used like 3 colors for this look, and all from the same palette. So I'm just forming a base for my eyeshadow using the LA Girl Pro Conceal in Fawn, and I'm using the blue turquoise shade on the lid.
I want to tell you a story about Fatima. I'm tired during my travel.
In the outer corner of my eye, I'm using a royal blue matte color that's also from the same palette, and I'm just blending it out. I think everything from here is pretty much self-explanatory. So I'm just blending it out. As you can see, the secret to a good eyeshadow look is always blending it out, guys. For my waterline, I'm using a black eyebrow pomade from LA Girl, and it's black in color, so that's what I'm gonna use. I'll leave more details in the description box. And I just use that to intensify my eyes. And for highlight, I'm using a gold pigmented eyeshadow, and I'm just gonna line my upper waterline to intensify the look. I am installing falsies that I got from Du Bois, so yeah, you can get a lot of good falsies there. I lined my lips using a brown Davis pencil, and I'm going over it with this L'Oreal lipstick. So that's it for this tutorial. Kindly subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next video.